Ayurveda offers various natural remedies for cough that have been used for centuries. These remedies are often tailored to the type of cough and the individual's constitution, or dosha. Here are some common Ayurvedic remedies for cough. 1. Turmeric milk, also known as Haldi Doodh. The ingredients are simple. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk. The benefits? Well, turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. 2. Honey and ginger. For this remedy, mix 1 teaspoon of honey with half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger juice. Ginger is known for its warming properties and helps in loosening mucus. Honey, on the other hand, has soothing and antibacterial properties. 3. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, tea. To prepare this, boil a few fresh Tulsi leaves in water. You can add a little honey or jaggery for taste. Tulsi is an excellent herb for respiratory problems and helps in relieving coughs and colds. Licorice root, also known as Mulethi, is a powerful remedy for cough. You can chew a small piece of licorice root or make tea by boiling it in water. This natural ingredient helps soothe the throat, reduce inflammation, and has expectorant properties, making it quite effective. Let's talk about cinnamon and honey. To prepare this remedy, mix half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder with 1 teaspoon of honey. Cinnamon has warming properties and helps in relieving throat irritation, while honey provides soothing relief. Together, they make a wonderful combination for easing your cough. Now, let's move on to Ayurvedic Kadha. To make this, boil water with tulsi leaves, ginger, black pepper, cinnamon, and a pinch of turmeric. You can add honey or jaggery for taste. This powerful concoction boosts immunity, clears the respiratory tract, and reduces cough. It's a holistic approach to wellness. Steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil. For this remedy, add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to hot water and inhale the steam. Eucalyptus oil helps in clearing mucus from the lungs and, it also relieves nasal congestion. Black pepper and honey. To prepare this, mix 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder with 1 teaspoon of honey. Black pepper is a natural expectorant and helps in breaking up mucus, while honey, well, it soothes the throat. Pippali, also known as long pepper. To use it, mix 1/4 teaspoon of Pippali powder with honey and take it twice a day. Pippali is known for its ability to reduce mucus and improve respiratory function. Warm salt water gargle. Dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle. This helps in reducing throat irritation and loosening mucus. Dosha-Specific Remedies. For a vata cough, which is dry with little mucus, use warm, moistening remedies like ginger tea, licorice root, and warm milk with turmeric. If you have a pitta cough, characterized by a burning sensation and yellow or green mucus, cooling remedies like licorice tea, ghee with sugar, and sandalwood can be helpful. For a kapha cough, which involves thick mucus and congestion, warming and drying remedies like black pepper, ginger, and cinnamon are ideal. These remedies are generally safe, but if the cough persists, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional.